This is a one-piece full cage from Smallrig. The function of these full cages are also to protect your camera from collision and wear. Normal wear and tear that you will have on the body can be avoided just by adding one of these things. They are not expensive, and above it, you know, when you're searching for a Smallrig cage, it's not about protection for your camera, but it's actually about regaining function of your screen, your flip-up screen at the back, that you lose complete function of when you're adding external microphone or maybe an external light. You know that you cannot use your flip-up screen, which is really frustrating. But by adding one of these, you automatically regain that purpose, and you can actually have a light and a microphone on your camera at the same time. I like how it also just features a small built-in flat screwdriver, which is magnetically attached. That comes in super handy. What's great, it also features two cold shoe mounts, one on the top and one on the left side of the cage, for a microphone and a light, whatever accessories that you want to use. This is the only screw that you need to loosen for the installation. The second screw can remain in place. And for the installation, you will just have to remove the lens and as well these little clips that's meant for the shoulder strap. And now you can just slide the body into the cage. No need to force it, it will just go in on its own. No need to over tighten this little screw. The only function of it is to keep your body into place and preventing it from twisting with inside the frame. And overall, I really like how it sits on the camera. It's perfect, it's lightweight, it doesn't add a lot of weight to the body, but it adds a lot of functionality. I mean, finally you can use your flip-up screen as well as a microphone and even add on a light, which previously you can either use a screen or a microphone or a light, like one of the three, not all three at the same time. Now you have all three at the same time. While the great thing about this full cage is that you will have still full access to your camera port and your battery.